Hi, it's Andrea again. And a couple weeks ago, I was driving home from a family vacation here in Florida. And a few months back, we had a big hurricane. And so in lots of places of Florida, you can see right now that, some of the trees that we have, they used to be doing this, now they're doing this, all right? Not all the trees, but some of them. And as I was driving down the highway, I saw some of these trees that were bent. And it got me thinking about positive thinking and about resiliency and about something really awesome that happens the more grounded you become in positivity. And today I want to share with you what that is. All right, now the thing about this image of the trees that struck me is that, some of the trees, they're now like this, but some of the trees are still like this. Same size trees, same general location, same gusts of wind came through. Some of the trees got bent, some of the trees stayed firm. And when I tried to think about why was that, the thought that came to me was, well, some of those trees had a better foundation. They were rooted in better. And this is something that I've noticed about myself and a lot of people that I've worked with the law of attraction, is that the more grounded you get in positive thinking, like the more you just decided, I'm just gonna look at this thing as positive as I can, the more you fill in those roots that I'm a positive person, you really start to find that no matter what life whacks you with, you're fine. It is really, really remarkable. Before being grounded in positivity, I would get knocked down. Something would happen and it would lay me out. I get depressed, I get angry. It would go from being one problem and then all of a sudden I've had problems all over my life. And now I could get whacked with something and I'm just like, oh, that just happened. But it doesn't really bother me and it ends up being not a problem. And so you may be at this point, but if you're not, hold on to that idea. Because if you can get really grounded in positivity and focusing that I'm just gonna be optimistic, I'm gonna just do my best to stay happy and focus on good thoughts, that's coming your way. You're gonna get to that point in life where it just doesn't really matter what life throws at you. You know that you're gonna be fine and you always are fine. All right, so that's just my little analogy for the day that I was thinking of that made me smile and I wanted to pass on to you. And I hope that you enjoyed it.